Good morning, Middle Two. Today we are going to start in the first unit in Unit 3, which is about the cell division. In this lesson, we are going to learn that all living organisms must do a, vital process to can alive. Like what? All living organisms have some characteristics, some properties help them to survive, like nutrition. Nutrition means feeding. All living organisms need food to survive. Respiration, take oxygen, release carbon dioxide. Movement mean the movement of your muscle. You can move from place to another place. Okay, and different process sensation. Okay, uh, and in this lesson we are going to study reproduction. We know that reproduction it's a process which living organisms produce new individual, give a new birth. And reproduction, we know that the function of reproduction is prevent or protect living organism from extinction. As you see here, the definition of reproduction, it's a process which living organism produce new individuals. These individuals that help in continuity of living organism and protect them from extinction. Okay, but we studied before that any living organism have two type of properties. Acquired properties, the something that you learn in your life, like swimming, like playing football. Okay, these traits that you acquired, you gain, you learn it from environment. And the other, it's called genetic traits. These traits that transfer from parents to the offspring. Okay, transfer to you from your parents. Like, for example, the color of your skin, color of your eye. These traits that you transfer from your parents to the offspring. To understand how reproduction occurs, we are going to study number one type of living cell, number two type of cell division, the third type of reproduction. Type of living cell, as we studied, we have different cell like animal cell, plant cell, but in this lesson we are going to know that there are something is called somatic cell and reproductive cell. Type of division, there are two type of division we are going to learn in this lesson, and type of reproduction also. Let's start with the type of cell. Okay, cell, we know that cell it is the basic unit and structure, smallest unit on the living organism. Okay, but cells are classified into two types, somatic cell and reproductive cell. Somatic cell, it is the cell related by the body. Yani, for example, your stomach, your kidney, your skin, all of this, it's made from the cell, it's building unit. But this cell that make kidney, stomach, liver, it's called somatic cell. But reproductive cell, the cell that's responsible for to give new birth. As we said, somatic cell, they include all cell of living organism except reproductive cell. Okay, also plant have somatic cell, right? Plant have roots, stem, leaves. This part related by the body of plant. Okay, so it's called somatic, like the cell of parenchyma tissue and the cell of collenchyma tissue. Parenchyma and collenchyma is related by the stem and leaves of plant. The cell of parenchyma, it's a type of cell responsible for make plant body, stem and leaves, and also collenchyma, it's a type of cell that made plant. Okay, but they are found in the stem and leaves, so it's called somatic cell. And somatic cell in animals and human, like intestinal, it's a type of cell that make to intestine, small intestine, large intestine, it's called intestinal cell. And cardiac or heart muscle cell, it's made the heart, it's a body. This body, it's made from a tiny part, a basic unit, it's called cell. Okay, so the cell that make heart, it's called heart muscle or cardiac muscle. It's type of somatic cell also. Let's move to the second point, which is the reproductive. What is reproductive? A reproductive cell, do you know we have a male and female, right? This type of cell differ in the male and also in the female. Okay, that's responsible for producing something called gametes. يبقى reproductive cell known as gametes. What is gametes? Gamete is specialized cell, special type of the cell responsible for sexual reproduction in living organism. So the pairs, any one from us, made from what? Made from two cells, one of them coming from male and the other coming from female. Okay, so we have a reproductive cell, like in the male it's called testis and female ovary. Both of them produce gametes. The ovary produce ovules and the male one, the testis, produce sperm, and this combine together to make baby. So in plants there are cell of ovary. This is in plant plant have a type of asexual cell. All right. So in this lesson we are going to take apart that there is a type of sexual reproduction in plant. It's mean in the plant there are male and female part. The male in plant called cell of ovary, okay, and female part called anther. Ovary, like the female in human and animal. Ovary produce ovules. Produce what? Ovules. And anther, its a male part, produce something called bowling green. Bowling green. Okay, so the ovules produce with the bowling green to make a new plant or fruits. Okay, so what is the reproductive cell in the animal and the human? In the animal, in the male one, this cell, it's called two testes. This testes produce pollen grain, and in plant ovary, which produce ovules. This the pollen grain, okay, and this the female one, it's called ovules. يبقى here this ovule, but this a sperm. This ovule are called ovum, okay, and the other is sperm. Let's move to the second part, which is chromosomes. For chromosomes, we studied before in middle one. There are thread-like bodies, something like rope, okay, that represent the genetic material of living organism. We have that each cell in our body contain nucleus. This nucleus contain inside it something called chromosome. Chromosome, which is a part that carry all genetic material of living organism, right? It's called what? It's called the chromosome. Do you know that from middle one that chromosome have two structure? Okay, the general structure in the shape, which is two chromatid. This chromatid, it's connected together in a point, this middle point called centromere. Okay, but in the chemical structure, its chromosome consists of, if you remember, DNA. It's called nucleic acid, DNA plus protein. So chromosome here, the chromosomes, it's considered something like red, okay, like rub, okay. This rub, which considered which carry all genetic material of living organism. The structure, general structure of chromosomes, to thread, one of them called the chromatid, and connected in a point called what? Called centrosome. Centromere. Like this one. So as we said, any cell contain nucleus. This nucleus contain chromosomes. The structure of chromosomes, nucleic acid, DNA plus protein. But this chemically, in general, in shape, it consists of two chromatids connected in a point called centrosome. Centromere. So here, this a comparison between somatic cell and gametes. We said that somatic cells that make all something in your body except reproductive cell. Each type of the cell contain a definite number of chromosomes. Okay, so somatic cell contain a complete number of chromosomes. As we studied from middle one, the chromosomes in the human in each cell contain 46 chromosomes, right? 46. But in gametes, like there is a half number of chromosome, which is 23. Okay, I speak about the human because this number of chromosome differ from living organism to the other. This number in somatic cell called the complete number and represented by 2n. Okay, because this number differ from living organism to the other, so we can't know all number in different organism. So we make a symbol. We simplified this number with 2n, which mean the complete number of chromosome. This exists inside the somatic cell. But gametes contain the half number of chromosomes, which is n. Do you know that the number of chromosomes differ in all type of organism, right? Differ from organism to the other. It mean the human differ, the dog differ, elephant, cat, rat. So each number of chromosomes differ, but the same species, all human have the same number, which is 46. Okay, so to can keep this number during the reproduction, the God make that gametes contain half number. So let's make imagination together. Let's imagine، يلا نتخيل مع بعض ان number of chromosomes هو في الجاميتس زي في السوماتيك سيل 46. اوكي، طيب دلوقتي لو في بيبي هيتكون، البيبي ده عبارة عن اوفم and sperm. تعال نتخيل، انا بقول كلام تخيل يعني الكلام مش صح، اوكي، كلام غلط. فايه التخيل دلوقتي اللي هنقوله؟ هنقول التخيل بتاعنا ان كل النمبر بتاع الكروموسومز the same. اوكي، كل number of chromosome the same in somatic cell and gametes، يعني هي 46. فعشان البيبي ده يتكون، فانا لو قلت معايا يا شباب السبرم فيه 46 والاوفا فيها 46، عشان البيبي يتكون بقى يبقى 46 هيتحد مع 46 هيبقى 92 تقريبا. ايه ده كده؟ العدد مش هيبقى ثابت، ده كل مرة بيبي هيتكون the number of chromosomes هيقعد دبل، فهنلاقي النمبر كروموسومز ما بقاش ثابت في الايه in the same species. ولكن اللي حاصل بقى ايه؟ ربنا خلى يا ولاد ان الجاميتس فيها half number، خلاص، يعني اللي هو 23، عشان لما يجي السبرم يتحد مع الاوفا 23 يبقى كل البيبي اللي جاي 46. عشان كده ربنا خلى السوماتيك سيل فيها diploid number. diploid it's mean 2n، it's mean complete number. But the half number it's called the haploid اللي هو n that exists inside what? Inside gametes, right? So let's take this question. Living organism in the human somatic cell contain 46. So the ovum it's mean the gametes of female which contain n, the half number. So the half of 46 is 23. okay. طب the sperm has also half number 23. Pollen grain, لا, pollen grain doesn't exist in human. Pollen grain that exists in the plant, in this ovule in plant also, okay. In gorilla, it's animal, and the animal the same human, okay. يعني that mean it's contain half number in the cell. But he said that I didn't know what is the number in somatic cell, but here the sperm contain 24. Sperm contain 24. This 24 the half. Okay? So that means that in somatic cell 24 plus 24 48. والovum زي السبرم فيها الهاف يبقى 24. P plant in somatic contain 14 number يبقى 14 ده اللي هو ال 2n. طب عايز اجيب البولين جرين يبقى فيها الهاف 7 والاوفيول 7. نخش على ويت البلانت دوت قال لي في الاوفيول 21 يبقى 21 دي الهاف صح. يبقى في السوماتيك سيل فيها 21 بلس 21 not 48. 21 plus 21 it mean 42. This number is false. 42. Okay, يبقى here 42. But in pollen grain زي الاوفيول 21. Okay, understand. Next, fruit fly لو قال لي في السوماتيك سيل فيها 8 يبقى الاوفم بتاعتها 4 والتانية 4 4 و 4 عشان فيها الهاف نمبر. Okay, understand this part. Let's move to the second part. يبقى here some example about the living organism خلاص which is the chromosomes number. Potato in somatic cell 48, chimpanzee 48, elephant 56, cow 80 number عشان احنا قلنا ان كل type من الأورجانيزم عنده same number of chromosome. Okay, as you said here. So like the similar chromosome count, the number of chromosome يعني in somatic cell of the different species of living organism doesn't mean they are genetically similar. يبقى ده كل living organism يعني في different number in chromosomes. Okay, so the difference between the potato plant and chimpanzee here أو the similar يعني البوتيتو 48 والشمبانزي 48 هل ده معناه ان هم عندهم the same genetic traits؟ لا. طب يقول لك similar chromosomes in the somatic cell لو في living organism عندها similar chromosomes يبقى doesn't mean they are genetically similar. ده مش بيدل ان هم زي بعض genetics. لا، ده حاجة وده حاجة طبعا. although they have the same number in somatic cell. Second, the chromosome count in the cell is not related to the size. مش معنى كده ان الكروموسومز بتكتر لو كان السايز اكتر. لا طبعا. the number of chromosomes بيقول لك in the somatic cell of elephant ده larger in size is 56 chromosome. يبقى the chromosome ملهاش علاقة بالسايز يعني while the number of chromosomes in somatic cell of the cow الكاو أصغر من الإليفانت كانت 80. أوكي، يبقى في الكرو في الكرو is 80. تمام. يبقى مش معنى كده إن النمبر اوف كروموسومز ليها علاقة بالسايز بتاع الليفينج أورجانيزم. وبكده يا ميدل 2 نكون خلصنا part 1 from this lesson. Goodbye.